Hello, I'm literally just trying out some of the kind of window frame boards that we glued together. These boards are the leftovers from the facade, so it's the same wood, and we're making in the window, I think I mentioned it before, like a frame to finish it off with it. 3 sides, left, top and then right, which will look pretty good. A little bit proud, standing out about 2 centimeters. So yeah, and we're just cutting them now, but it's got to be spot on so it all fits. So I'm just checking that they're working before, because we have to cut off the edges so that they're a nice finish. Of course, can't have anything like that going on there. So yeah, yesterday we finished with the boots, and on Monday we'll be able to paint it. So it's whitish now, but it's not white, so that's why we have to paint it. And of course the paint adds a protective layer to the facade to keep it watertight, or help it watertight, but it's also a paint that allows dispersion of air through, so that's also good. Yeah, ordering the window sills, the outside window sills today, and then we should be able to, once they come, put all of this in. So yeah, not too bad. Our first fire's in the oven. So, painting all day, before and after wipe. Or like now it's after anyway, but doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. We're getting there. The outside's looking better since we put on the paint now. Looking whiter than white. Got to go over a second time. A lot of painting, but it's worth it in the end to have a second coat, and it's good and covered. And our neighbour turned up to do the shingle, the wood facade on the shed, which is nice of him. A little gift, and yeah, we're getting ready to lay the first tiles in the cellar, because soon our heating system is coming and the technical room has to be ready for that. So yeah. So I'm peeling off the plastic. Actually it's really easy because it's attached to the plastic strips that are built into the walls, and these plastic strips have like a rip section, so the whole thing comes off, making basically the plastic that's in there level with the walls that we've done. So theoretically, but it's not always perfect, but it's a pretty good system. It's slightly away from the wall. So, if you think it looks good now, then just wait till the scaffolding comes down. It does look good, and the system with the strips, plastic strips, is really good. If those strips are there, kind of behind the sticky ones for the plastic, and when you pull them out, because they're kind of independent, then there's a foam band in there that expands, sealing the gap between the fence, the window and the wall. So it's one of the easiest, best systems for installing windows. And I mean, have a look at the finish now. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that, and all that's left is to clean the windows basically. Of course Got to put in the windowsills, but we don't need the plastic in there for that.